Welcome back everyone, it's Rainy from Rainy Rocks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this recipe stand in a Geode inspired design. I'm using Meyspring's Gemstones collection and I believe one color from the Geode collection. Gold glitter and white and silver glitter, and I've gone ahead and I've taped the backs of the board and the stand will be done after we finish the board. Okay, so let's get started. I have gone ahead and mixed up my resin. I'm using Resin Artistro. It's a medium viscosity resin. It has a little bit of a shorter working time, but it cures a lot quicker and I really enjoy using it. Most of the products that I'm using in this video can be found in my Amazon store, and the link will be in the description box if you guys are interested. Okay, so I've gone ahead and placed the gold glitter. For this project, we're not going to be using any glass or crystals of that sort because, you know, obviously that would hinder the book from laying flat and it just wouldn't work. So we're going to rely on glitter to bring some bling to this piece. So as you saw there, I placed the gold glitter first because that would be where I would normally put, you know, crystals or glass, that sort of thing. And then I laid a clear layer around that, and that was to stop the second color from seeping into my glitter. Okay, so now here I am just placing my colors just randomly. I just did this without really, you know, without much of a plan, just whatever I thought looked good at the time. And you can just start pouring, and you'll see there that I am just not placing the colors far apart from each other, and that'll just allow them I don't want too much blending to happen. Okay, and some final touches with the silver and white glitter. And you know, the beauty with making geode art is that it never has to be perfect. And if you don't like something, you just pour over it or just change it up as you're going. Just even pouring a little bit of clear over a color will just dramatically change it. All right, so quick torch, and we're gonna let this cure. And we're gonna do lines next. Okay, so before this video, there was a bloopers video. For some reason, I had a really hard time with this part. Nothing that I did I liked. There was a lot of rubbing happening. It was, yeah. So watch that video previous to this one. It's the bloopers one. You'll get a little bit of behind the scene action. But here you'll see I'm just briefly doing a little bit. I'm outlining the glitter lines with a gold paint pen. Okay, so now it's time to design the stand, and with here I just went pretty simple. I decided to just use the gilded gold, and that's from the Meyspring's Gemstones collection. And for a little bit of contrast, I've also used the bronze stone and added some veining, and a little bit of clear, just to get that really cool effect that you get when you pour clear on top of mica. Okay, and just a quick torch will just create some further really awesome effects. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Leave me a comment. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys again next time.